This is the sound of traffic crossing a self-centering bar and cover plate seismic expansion joint system. By contrast, the SJS system from EMSEAL sounds like this. The essential differentiators of the SJS system over any other are that there are no metal embedments, there's no drilling, no cutting, no hard connections to the concrete whatsoever. The system is also watertight, but primarily it is quiet. Under slow-moving or fast-moving traffic, the SJS absorbs and dissipates sound. This SJS installation is a 3-year-old retrofit of failed cover plate systems at a shopping mall. The system is uniquely suited to retrofitting in phased stages, thereby minimizing tenant and parking revenue disruption. Available with sandblasted aluminum or stainless steel cover plates, the SJS system is as well suited to rolling and walking pedestrian traffic as it is to vehicular traffic. For more information on the SJS system expansion joint from EMSEAL, visit emseal.com or call our tech team, toll-free 1-800-526-8365 or 508-836-0280. EMSEAL, watertight and quiet by design.